Swim Journey, Episode 10.
Water safety.
Safety begins before you even enter the water, so we teach Elowyn how to walk around the pool deck, how to safely enter and exit the water, and what to do if she's ever in danger.
It's never too early to teach young swimmers about water safety, and it's important for adults to remember that there's no substitute for supervision. No matter how strong their swimming skills are, no child is waterproof. Always keep an eye out.
We give Elowyn lots of practice swimming to safety independently, whether that's climbing out at the ladder, the stairs, or just holding the wall.
To have Elowyn safely jump, we make sure her toes are over the edge so she has a good grip. She jumps out and away from the wall. And in this video, she's returning back to the wall she came in from.
Good job. Hold the wall and walk crabby walk. 1 and 2. Can you do this?
We teach Elowyn to crawl along the wall to the ladder or the stairs where it's safest to get out.
2. You hold on. Hold the wall for 3.
We also practice holding the wall in place in case she ever needs to wait for help to arrive.
3.
If a little one ever falls in the water, the fastest way for them to get out is usually to go back to the wall they fell in from.
Turning around in the water can be harder than you'd think, so Elowyn practices a lot.
Jump. Turn around. 1, 2, 3. Under. She took a pop-up.
Because a ladder or stairs won't always be an option, it's just as important for children to be comfortable climbing out at the wall.
Backfloating and rolling over from your belly to your back are important safety skills for children too. Elowyn's not a big fan of being on her back these days, but we try to practice at least a little bit every time we swim.
Hello. 2.
You can also practice open water skills in the pool. Being able to climb onto a floating object can save their life.
You got it, me. Yay! There's 1.
Remaining calm and swimming to safety if you fall off a boat or other floating object is important too.
All right. Can you say hi, Daddy?
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Elowyn.
It's easy to panic if you lose your balance in open water, so we teach Elowyn to stay calm, find her footing, and stand up if it's shallow water.
This simple skill could be life-saving. Dolphin rides aren't just for fun, they're also the easiest way for an adult to get their child to safety in deep water. We taught Elowyn to hold our shoulders and help us kick as we swim. Hey Elowyn, what's your next video about?
There's a scoop.
Kicks and scoops.
Yeah.
Yay!